Hello, this is Joe Pryor, the virtual real estate team in Oklahoma City, where we take Oklahoma City and Tulsa new construction and for investors turn it into positive cash flow for you. What a week it has been. This is nuts. It's absolutely crazy. Trust me, I am in the stock market. I've been in the stock market a long time. I don't want to tell you how much money I've been losing. Now, again, these are profits, but in some cases, I'm underwater on things because Thursday, Friday, today, which is Monday the 7th, I am seeing things go down and down and down. I don't know what the bottom is at this point. And it all has to do with these crazy tariffs that the president has put on everybody. Just this kind of Wall Street was shocked. They thought, normally targets are, specific where maybe there's unfair practices like there was with Japan on steel. And so you target a specific industry. Well, this is across the board, everything. And we're already seeing prices go up. Now, the silver lining of all this, if there is a silver lining, is the fact that mortgage rates are going down. So what happens in times like this when there's uncertainty, is there a recession coming or not a recession? People don't know what's going on. Then basically it's called a flight to quality. And the safest investment in the world is treasuries, United States treasuries, especially the 10-year. A lot of money is being put in the 10-year treasury right now. And so we've seen rates that for investors were like at 6.25% a week ago are now at 5.75% with 25% down and 5.625% with 30% down. So a huge change. This makes a big difference in terms of your cash flow. Now, the second thing is housing prices, especially new construction. We are already seeing that changing. I had a big, what's called 1031 tax deferred exchange that we did a little over a week ago, about 2 weeks ago, I think, primarily. I just got a new list from that same builder. $10,000 and $11,000 prices increased already, and the big things hadn't even come yet because, man, Canada, we get a lot of lumber for residential construction. We get gypsum for sheetrock from Canada. We get appliances and power transformers, all sorts of things from China, as well as other places around the world. And even more price increases are going to be baked into houses. And so what we have right now is an opportunity for you to do something safe. And that is the second flight to quality besides United States treasuries, which is United States housing. It has been steadily going up since 2019. When I say steadily, even more than steadily, it's going to keep going up. But Oklahoma City and Tulsa are some of your most affordable large cities, over 1 million in metro population in the United States. And so we still have good prices, but it's going to change. And the interest rates are going to change. Inflation makes interest rates going up, and these are inflationary tariffs. These are a tax. And so you are going to be paying more for everything, especially in terms of housing. And so taking low rates, current housing, which is based on stuff that's going into that house that's already paid for, is an opportune moment for you to do something right now. And we have new property starting at around $200,000 for new construction, all turnkey, everything that you need for rental, and up from there. So I'm just telling you, now is the time to do something. Rates have gone down. Prices are already going up on things that are just starting in new construction. We're going into peak season. I'm normally not this kind of a person that has a sense of urgency about things. But I tell you what, from what I'm seeing right now, what I'm seeing in the stock market, what I'm seeing with prices already going up and mortgage rates going down, I can't think of a better time to get into the investment market or keep going if you're already there.